and see me on Thursday, and I can show you the way to the cross from there.
Since Deacon Bacchus is moving so fishy.
Fishy, sir.
Man, you never pinch my nose good, you wicked ras, you.
I'm born of the water, the spirit and the blood. Thank God I'm born again. Born of the water, the spirit and the blood. Hallelujah! Praise be to God. We have another new sister in the church. You graduate from Lucifer. Welcome to Jesus. Hallelujah. Amen.
Love me, man. We love me, man.
Polish, look at...
Love me.
Where you look? Come here. Stop going like here. Let me tell you something.
You see, this is what happens, you know, when you take up what you can't manage.
Really?
You know, say, oh, they cannot. Suppose me never come. You know what? Let me keep my mouth, you know. Because it's like it's the devil send you. And you say if the devil send you, it better you make it go way back, you know. I don't know if you know this